The Tesla Model 3's flush door handles are designed for sleek aerodynamics, but they can sometimes fail to retract properly. This issue most commonly affects owners of older models from 2017 to 2022. Let's explore the main reasons why this happens. Let's break down how the Model 3 door handle works. We'll cover the key components that make this sleek system function. The electric motor is the heart of the system, an electric actuator that extends and retracts the handle when you approach or touch it. This motorized mechanism allows the handle to stay flush with the door for aerodynamics. The spring mechanism provides the necessary tension to ensure the handle retracts smoothly and stays flush when not in use. It's a torsion spring that helps prevent the handle from sticking out and maintains the sleek profile. Sensors and seals are crucial for reliability. Proximity sensors detect when you're approaching the door and trigger the motor. Rubber seals around the mechanism prevent water and ice from entering, which could cause freezing or corrosion. Understanding these key components, the electric motor, spring mechanism, and sensors with seals, helps you identify where issues might occur and how to address them effectively. Before attempting any repairs, start with these simple troubleshooting steps to diagnose the door handle issue. First, try using the Tesla mobile app to remotely open the doors. This can help determine if the issue is with the physical handle or the vehicle's control system. Next, visually check if the door handle appears physically frozen or stuck due to ice or moisture. If so, gently warm the area and try to free the handle manually. You can also access the vehicle's diagnostics menu through the Tesla app or by entering service mode. Use this to recalibrate the handle sensors and ensure they are properly synchronized with the body control module. If these initial troubleshooting steps do not resolve the problem, you can move on to more detailed fixes and repairs. This section covers simple DIY fixes for Tesla Model 3 door handle issues. First, lubricate the handle mechanism with silicone-based grease, specifically dielectric grease, to reduce friction and prevent moisture buildup. These steps can often resolve minor sticking problems. For lubrication, use dielectric grease to coat the handle motor and moving parts. Apply it sparingly, using the brush-top lid to avoid attracting debris. This prevents condensation and ice formation that can jam the mechanism. For a motor reset, open the Tesla infotainment system and go to the service menu. Select Door Handles and choose Reset Motor to recalibrate the sensors and motor. This often resolves sticking without hardware replacement. If lubrication and software resets don't resolve the door handle retraction issue, the motor itself may need replacement. This section provides a step-by-step guide to safely disassembling the door panel, removing the old motor, and installing a new one. First, gather the necessary tools. A trim removal kit containing plastic pry tools is essential to carefully disassemble the door panel without causing damage. Next, disassemble the door panel. Use the plastic pry tools to gently remove the trim panel, taking care to release all clips and remove any visible screws. Refer to the exploded diagram for the correct assembly order. Once the panel is removed, locate the door handle motor assembly. Carefully unplug the electrical connector, noting its orientation for reassembly. Remove the faulty motor from its mounting. Install the new motor, aligning it correctly and reconnecting the electrical connector. Test the handle operation before reassembling the panel. Use the correct part number for your side, 129678-00A for the left handle motor, and 129679-00A for the right. Remember to proceed carefully and consider professional service if you're not comfortable with the process. The torsion spring in your Tesla Model 3 door handle provides the tension needed for smooth retraction. When this spring weakens, the handle may retract sluggishly or fail to pull flush with the door panel. This diagram shows the key components of a torsion spring, including the wire diameter, body length, and direction of wind. Understanding these parts is crucial for proper maintenance. First, inspect the spring tension. A weak spring will cause slow or incomplete retraction. Test by pulling the handle out and releasing it to observe the return speed. Use this guide to measure the spring's wire diameter, inside diameter, and wind direction before replacement. Accurate measurements ensure you get the correct replacement part. Next, adjust the spring alignment. Improper alignment causes uneven wear and premature failure. Carefully position the spring ends in their designated slots. Follow this installation guide when replacing the spring. Pay attention to the winding direction and use proper tools like locking pliers to secure the spring during installation. Finally, test and calibrate the spring. Operate the handle several times to ensure smooth, consistent retraction. If issues persist, professional service may be needed. Professional technicians use tools like this torsion spring tester to verify spring tension and ensure proper calibration. Looking ahead to future trends and prevention for Tesla Model 3 door handles. Tesla is moving towards capacitive touch sensors to replace traditional mechanical handles. These sensors detect touch without physical movement, offering better reliability and reducing failure points in harsh conditions. For existing Model 3 owners, prioritize winterization by applying advanced weatherproofing kits. These kits, like Tesla Hub's ProGuard, use noise reduction and sealing to prevent moisture ingress and freezing, extending handle life in extreme climates. Tesla is implementing AI-driven diagnostics that analyze driving patterns and vehicle data to predict handle motor failures. This proactive system alerts owners via the touchscreen, allowing remote fixes or early service to avoid breakdowns. Integration with autonomous features allows handles to auto-mitigate issues during cold starts, using vehicle sensors and full self-driving data for real-time adjustments and reduced maintenance needs. Tesla is focusing on sustainable components, incorporating recyclable bio-based plastics in future handles. This reduces environmental impact while enabling modular designs that simplify repairs without full disassembly. Regular software patches via over-the-air updates ensure handle sensors stay calibrated. Owners should stay informed through the Tesla app and perform preventive checks, avoiding exposure to extreme cold for long periods. By 2030, Tesla plans modular handle designs that allow quick component replacements, minimizing downtime and making maintenance more accessible for owners worldwide.